Several reactions that have been coming in since early morning from Hardeep Singh Puri, who arrived to cast his vote along with his wife, to Jai Shankar, who has just cast his vote. Let's listen into that reaction coming in from the External Affairs Minister.
हम लोग जो हैं अभी वोट किए हैं, तो आप देख रहे हैं कि मैं इस बूथ में फर्स्ट मेल वोटर हूँ। अब ये मतदान जो होता है, हम चाहते हैं कि भारी संख्या में आज वोट पड़े, क्योंकि ये देश के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा निर्णय का समय है। और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि देश जो है, दिल्ली के वोटर भी विकसित भारत और मोदी सरकार को एक बार और वोट देंगे और एक बार और मोदी सरकार वापस आएगी।
Let's also go across to Gursimran, who is joining us live from Rajouri. Gursimran, we believe that Ravinder Raina, the J&K BJP chief, has already cast his vote. Take us through what you see around you.
Yes, right now we are in the Nowshera sector of the Rajouri district, where the people have lined up in the large numbers to cast their vote. A couple of minutes ago, BJP Jammu and Kashmir chief Ravinder Raina has casted his vote. I am joined by Ravinder Raina. Mr. Raina, you have now franchised your democratic right. First, I'll request you to show your ringed finger. And now, this time, this is altogether a different seat. Your previous alliance partner, PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti, is also in fray, but BJP is not. Behind you is the line of control. What will be the message?
See, this is the festival of our democracy. We have witnessed a huge turnout in Srinagar Parliament seat, and then there was a bumper voting in North Kashmir, Baramulla Parliament seat, and today, since morning, we are here and we witness long queues and people are coming out of their houses for voting. I do hope that in Anantnag Rajouri Parliament seat, it will be a new record. Earlier, there was very low turnout remains in the past, but people now have full faith in our democracy, and people are coming out in large number to cast their vote to elect their government.
Don't you feel that this is really unfortunate on the BJP's part, that they are, despite granting the ST status to the Pahadi community, are not in the political fray?
This is the day of voting, and I think I should not make any political statement. Being the citizen of this great country, I should abide by the rule of law. So I just casted my vote, and I have seen that in this village, Lambedi, which is near to the LOC, this is all the actual line of control behind us. People here in border areas are coming out in large number since morning, and I do hope that at the end of the day it will be a record bumper voting, and I extend my greetings to all the people of Jammu and Kashmir for showing faith in the democracy.
Last four phases have seen that record-breaking voting turnout has taken place. Are you hopeful that this time it will also be in the multiple digits, not in the double digits only?
Definitely, I do hope so, and it is in democracy the power rests with the people. It is the people, those set the government, those form the government, and I do hope that this time too people will elect a government that takes care for the nation and the care of the people.
Thank you, Mr. Raina. So the people have lined up in the large numbers outside the polling stations. Though this is a border area where the usual turnout of the people doesn't remains to be like this, but this time the people are coming out early morning to cast their vote.